always keep this in your car. This is really nice, and this is smaller, which is, you see, it's like maybe 14 inches tall, and I keep this in the front of the car with me, right? And what's good about this is that it has this surface right here. You check it out. You see? Sometimes here in the Northeast, when it snows and then the temperature goes up and down, you need to break this up real nice, and this is going to really help you. Okay, so check it out. See, check it out. It's gonna be really nice to do it. But the other use that I have for this, right, when I go snowboarding, I'm a snowboarder, I use this brush to brush off all the snow off of my board before I put the board back in its snowboarding bag. So this is one of my, really what I use it the most for, right? Because then after a nice day of riding, you brush this and this goes into everything. These bristles are pretty firm, and they're going to do a really good job just taking all the snow, like all that powder off the snowboard. So that's really what I use it the most for, and this is why I bought it, right? So this is very recommended.